Is this $14 Amazon kitchen gadget actually worth buying? With over 170,000 reviews, I had to see if it lives up to the hype.
This product has a massive reputation. Today, we're putting it through real-world testing to see if it belongs in your home.
Right out of the box, the product feels surprisingly premium. At this price point, I honestly didn't expect this level of finish.
The slim, brushed stainless steel design stands out immediately. It's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to store in any kitchen drawer.
It even comes with AAA batteries included, so you can start measuring your meals or baking ingredients right away.
For baking, the tare function is essential. Just place your bowl, hit the button, and it instantly zeroes out the weight.
During testing, it handled everyday measurements effortlessly. It accurately tracks your ingredients in real time, making meal prep highly efficient.
Because of the seamless stainless steel design, cleaning up messes is incredibly easy. Just a quick wipe, and it looks brand new. For those with limited counter space, this is perfect. Its ultra-slim profile means it slides right into any cluttered drawer. Let's talk pros. This scale is highly affordable, very accurate for everyday cooking, and practically effortless to use.
However, one limitation worth mentioning is a slight lag on the display when adding very tiny micro-ingredients, like single coffee beans.
When compared to cheaper basic models, the Etekcity justifies its slightly higher price tag with a significantly better stainless steel finish. This may be ideal for home bakers, meal preppers, and fitness enthusiasts tracking calories. However, lab technicians needing extreme precision should look elsewhere. For $14, it's an excellent choice for most buyers and highly recommended. Check the latest price using the Amazon link below.